Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to change the color of taskbar on your windows and you're looking out how to do so, you may just follow up these steps and you should be able to do it. So let's just get started. So it is pretty easy. For that, you can go ahead and access your settings. And once you access your settings, you can go over and go to personalization section. This one right here. Once you go to personalization section, you can just go over and select the option for colors directly. This one right here. And within your colors option, there are different modes available. So you can choose your mode. You can either select you want to do light, dark, custom, etc. You can do so. And you can choose your mode. You can just go over and even scroll down and look at the accent color section, where you can either select a color from the grid available here or click custom colors to go ahead and select your own colors as well. You can just go over and do so and pick your own as well and tap on this done option and apply it up. You can apply accent color to a taskbar. You can just go over and scroll down and look out for this option of show accent color on title bars and window borders. You can turn it on. When you turn it on, you can simply look out for the changes available, and that should apply it up as well. And your taskbar should now change to the selected color. For example, if I want to do purple, you can just go and turn it on, and there we go. You can see the color directly being changed onto your device, and that's it. So it is pretty quick and easy if you'd like to change it to your color. So we hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.